Most of you guys already know the situation with me not passing my driver's test. I have to retake it like a month from now. But like most of you guys already know that situation and what went down. But like another situation popped up to where I can't even drive my Charger anymore, and I have to just go ahead and get a new car. I mean, I was frustrated with the situation. I was actually pissed off about the situation, but like, I know good things. Like, it's for the greater good. I know good things are gonna come, so I'm not gonna let that tame my energy right now, because like I want to feel good, you know. But keep watch, keep watch for a car reveal video, because it's gonna come sooner than later. I just gotta keep putting in my work. I'm in the bathroom hiding right now. I'm at work. Pizza Hut. I'm at work right now. I'm happy because I might be closing in on my car. I've been eyeing this Jeep for like a good 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and I've been working hard and putting in overtime to just buy me a car. This might be big for this channel because we get to go places now. Okay, so I don't know, but one thing about it is I'm used to a Mustang. I used to have a Mustang, a little coupe, and this big Jeep. I don't too much know much about SUVs or how to whoop them, but I know they're a lot bigger than a little coupe, a Mustang. I'm gonna show you guys a picture right there. But car tour video coming soon. I told you this was gonna happen. Something big was about to happen. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean McLovin, and we're back with another video. And if you can see where we at. Yep, that's right. Remember when I said I had to pull off of stuff to make stuff happen? So I made something happen. But she dirty right now. I named her Betty. She dirty right now. So we gotta go ahead and get this watch before this car tour video. You. What's up, bitches? Welcome to my new car. You know how that be on the motherfucking car videos. But nah, check it out. This is my new car right here. My new look, my new Jeep, SUV, whatever you guys want to call it. Paid for it full, all me, because hard work pays off. Now come on.
Yeah.
Take this a little tour. You see you got the 17s on there. Don't zoom in, but you got the 17s on there because they don't need to know what I got. You got what? Wait. Zoom in right here. You see that? Trail rated. Off-road. Do it. Wait, nope. Before we get to the interior, you gotta come around. You gotta come around here to the back. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a V8, it's a V6, but it still go. It still push. Come on. You got the back trunk. Don't mind that. I work at Pizza Hut, as many of you guys know. Come on, get all out of here, because they don't need to know about the back. Might have a body up in there or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Favorite parts of it is the motherfucking doors. Push open. Oh, get in the back seat. What it is, pure room. Cup holsters. Wait a minute. They ain't. What's that?
outlet in the car. Jeep carpets. Yeah. I'm a McLovin. I does this. Come on, take a trip to the passenger side. I like it like that. She was working that. Cool. Come on, zoom in on the Jeep. There's Jeep right there too. I need to wash them off. I had to fake. Oh, come on. Let's close this door. Might get an automatic push start. Forget about the keys, you know what I'm saying? Make a lot of shit. Big ball of shit. We about to be far living a million-ass dream. Door is already open. They need to open it. Might get suicide doors on it. Oh, let me hold the camera. Let me get this right quick. Jeep steering wheel. What's up? Don't worry about the radio. I'm gonna get the radio switched out. Oh, you got Hint's carbon fiber right there. You know what I'm saying? McLovin stuff. Oh, yep. Handle for we going off road. You know what he's saying? Big bumps. Ooh, fine ass nigga right there. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, Jeep. Don't forget the carpets. Wait, they forgot about the little compartment right there. Ooh, middle console, side console, emergency brake. Don't pay no mind to that McLovin shit. Ooh, yes sir. Put the camera on the real McLovin. You know what I'm saying? I skipped over so many shoes to pay for this full. Pay for it full. No car payments.
No,
nothing.
He didn't. He got all the shoes.
No car payment. I skipped over so many shoes and clothes to get where I went. I worked hard for this. With that being said, if you in the area and you know you're gonna be riding with me, don't hop in my shit on no disrespectful shit. I will make your ass get out. Respect my shit because I work hard for this shit. McLovin shit. We out. So look, before we leave, check this out. You recording this? Before we leave, I showed you the radio earlier. Don't tweet because it's ugly. Because watch this. Come here. Just sit right there. Ooh, cruise control too. Just sit right there. It ain't a flex if I worked hard for it. Just know it ain't a flex if I worked hard for it. Flexing is some other stuff. I worked hard for it, so I'm proud of it, and I want to show what I'm proud of. But check this out. Unlock this. Come here. I don't even got a button. But watch this. Wait. Yeah. Alright, so boom. I hope you guys like my car, like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you feeling it, you know what I'm saying? Cause I did work hard for this, and I'm really happy that I got what I wanted, you know what I'm saying? We need 2 more subscribers for 200. It really shouldn't have taken this long, but you know, I've been posting videos every 2 weeks, and I'm about to start being more consistent, like, you know what I'm saying? Some real McLovin stuff coming up. Now we for real out this time.